Who do you want to play with, perform with?
McCartney. McCartney is number one on my bucket list of people that I would love to play with.
What would you cover with McCartney?
Maybe on the Maze, maybe probably. Maybe, that I saw him the other day for the first time, and it was just mind-blowingly amazing. So, yeah, but, he killed it. That's something I'd love to sing with him. Baby, I'm amazing the way I love you. That would be awesome.
Okay, but do you walk up to him?
Yes.
Did you say anything to him?
Yes, I thanked him for influencing me and thanked him for being my favorite artist of all time. We talked for a minute, and my kids were freaking out because they're big Beatles fans. But, I talked to him for a little bit.
Did he know who you were?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Because I think his manager told him before I showed up.
The Dan Patrick Show, weekday mornings on Audience.